welcome back to my channel. My name is Lainey, my pronouns are they, them, and let's cord my first ever Salopette Lolita dress together. Okay, so the dress that we're going to be taking a look at, I literally just put it back in my closet, I should have kept it out, is this one. It is so cute. 42 Lolita sent me this Salopette, and I've never owned a Salopette ever before. I kind of wanted to document like cording this for the first time, so I thought I would bring you guys along with me for the journey. Okay, this is what the Salopette looks like. This dress does come as a full set, but I ended up just getting the Salopette. And I think it's really cute. It comes with like a little bunny tail too, but that's in my accessory box. I'm thinking I might just play everything a little safe today and go with like a classic Peter Pan blouse. Like I want to kind of style it in a simple-ish way before really experimenting, throwing myself out there, because I just have never styled a Salopette before. So what I'm thinking is I will probably do this blouse by, I believe this is a Tiny Garden one. It's just a very, very simple white Peter Pan collar blouse. It is short sleeves and it is winter, but it looks like look at it. It's like a springy, summery, like fun dress, like vibrant dress. It doesn't look wintry. So we're not gonna cord it in a winter way, cause I don't know how, but don't tell anyone that. I so desperately need blouses that are like accommodating of larger bust. Please give me recommendations because like this is too tight. I hate this so much. I really need to rebuy one of these blouses. This is like not comfortable. Like there's not enough room in the arms here anymore because I gained weight. Okay, let's go throw the Salopette on top. But look, it's on. I got it zipped. It's like a really interesting shape. We're ignoring the fact that I wore the wrong colored bra today. We're ignoring that. It doesn't matter. You guys don't see anything, okay? You see nothing at all. I should have thought this ahead. That's fine. Okay, and now we're adding in an Aurora and Ariel petticoat. You can see this does have a little bit of like organza under it, but like it's just not, it's not enough floof, you know? Like for Lolita, you gotta have that silhouette of a bajillion floofs. There we go, way more floof. Okay, so much better of a shape. Next up, I'm gonna do my hair, I think, instead of like socks and other accessories. Ignore what I just said. I have no hair ties, great. Adorable. Okay, let's do the other side. Hardest part about anything with like twin tails is getting them the same length, in my personal opinion. And because I have no arm strength and this hurts my arms. Oh my god, I don't know if anybody else relates to this or if I'm just weak as fuck. There we go, those are not the same height. Oh, fuck. I have no idea if the back is like even at all. These look cute down. My original plan was to like do little buns, which I think I'm still gonna do, but these do look pretty cute down, not gonna lie. I grabbed a couple bobby pins, so now we are just gonna put them in a cute little bunny bun. Let's grab another one and put it over here. Oh shit, it's already falling out. Okay, close enough. There we go. I have these two guys, which I think would look really cute, like around the bun. So I'm gonna put these around it. Sometimes I just don't really like wearing KCs, and I've really been loving how my hair looks in buns lately. Like I think it just looks so darling and so cute. So here it is. And then I have some like hair clips, this pink gingham. I have like this cute star, like stuff like this that I'm also gonna put in my hair to, you know, keep it flat and make it a little bit cuter. So let's put those in. Okay, on this side I have the two gingham ones, and we go to this side and I have the strawberry and the bunny. I think they look pretty cute. Okay, I really need to organize this, so no judgment, but let's go through and try to find some accessories to wear with this cord. Okay, so I found this little bunny. We're gonna put the bunny on. I also have this necklace that's a little broken, but we're gonna put that on because it's like a strawberry milkshake, and like I think that fits well. And then for wrist cuffs, I just have these pink and white ones that I made for like $1. And those are gonna go on as well, and I think it's gonna look cute. Okay, I'm gonna put in some of these bunny earrings that I got at our Lolita Bunny meetup at Cuddle Bunny that I went to last year. I think those look cute. Those look cute. Okay, let's get the other backs in. And then let's put the other bunny in. Oh, my mom is calling me. So while my mom and I were talking on the phone, I went ahead and picked out what socks. So I picked out these pink bunny socks with these tea parties, which I believe are by Honey Cherry. I'm not gonna wear longer socks like under them. I'm not feeling it. Okay, so I put on the shoes. I do think this cord would look so much better with like OTKs or tights, but I'm lazy and I'm not gonna do it. But this is how the cord came out, and I think it does look really cute. Let me know what you think, or if you have any areas for improvement. I just wanted to start out like decently simple, you know, first Salopette ever. And thank you so much to 42 Lolita for sending me this gorgeous Salopette. My discount code for 42lolita.com is I_forgot_reality, and you can get a little discount if you want to get yourself something nice. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. Hope you enjoyed. See you next time.